Hello, Maryland residents and those of you who are looking to move to Maryland. We're going to talk today about how to qualify for an FHA loan in that state and what might be available to you with regards to program options and credit score options and all of that. So the first thing is that in the state of Maryland, you're going to have loan limits for each county. It's no different than any other state, except there are a couple of counties in the state of Maryland that do have higher loan limits because the cost of living and the cost of homes in those counties are higher than others. So we do have a loan limits calculator that you could do. You could look it up. It's a lookup tool where you just select Maryland and you look at the list of counties and you can see for single family, 2-family, 3-family, and 4-family what the maximum FHA loan amount is for that county in that state. Okay, now let's move along to what it's going to take to qualify. So the maximum debt to income ratio will be 56.9%, okay, which means that your total mortgage payment and all of other debt, everything combined, cannot be greater than 56.9% of your gross monthly income. So that will be the maximum, and you'll be able to find that not from every lender, but we do have lenders that'll go that high. If you need something like that, if you're really pushing the limits on how much you can qualify for, we can help you to stretch that as far as possible. You will need a 3.5% down payment with credit scores of 580 or greater. If your credit scores are 500 to 579, it can still be done, but with a 10% down payment. If the home needs rehab, or if the home you want to buy has some issues and the home inspector found some problems and the seller doesn't want to fix them, you can apply for an FHA 203K rehab loan, which will enable you to make the repairs after closing, and it won't be the seller's responsibility to do it. And this is a way to get the closing done and move ahead and get you into home ownership. So that's a great program that's available. Plus the FHA one-time close construction loan, where you can buy a lot in Maryland and then also finance the build, all with just one loan. If you have a recent Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you've been in the mortgage payment, you've been making bankruptcy payments for at least 12 months, we can still help you with an FHA loan despite not having it discharged yet. If you're just struggling with the lender you're talking to, or just want to get pre-approved and you don't know where to go and you have questions to ask, maybe you need down payment assistance, that could be available with a little bit of a higher credit score. Either way, we're here to help you. Just follow the link down below to nonprimelenders.com and we'll help you there. I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you next time.